Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan Kitiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Rakhe ka Women's Day da ka health checkup. Ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong.
Kumba Shispa Prapongut ki Samla Puli jong Ribhoi College haka Henriu tarik unai leber arajar arpway kila yo ya ke jingmentoi ka bakraw lengba ka program a jinghikai ka Kyrpang ka badai syapang ka soft skills coaching bat ka talent identification kenang ban kentiu ya ki sap ki pong bagi Samla ki don. Yakane ke jing ai jing hikai ka ba shipos ngilenter ka balalong ha Ribhoi College but ya ka bala kersyan pisa da ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong ka Sarkar Pedeng lengba ka tenat Arts and Culture ka Sarkar Jela la penlong da ka jing lang rengkat ka Ribhoi College Alumni Association. Kani ke jing ai jing hikai ka long ban pentebit ya ki Samla bat ban ai men sem shushu ya ki kumno bakin yeng halaki jong ki kijat bat ban long ki Samla ki ba Pynshlur na ka benta ka lawai ka ba pernai ka jong ki. Hagani ka program lawan Ishimentaru da ka Additional Deputy Commissioner jong Ribhoi District ka Kong FM Lakyang u Managing Director jong Avenue Shillong u ba Mark Lightflang Stone ka Academic Head jong Avenues ka Kong Jasmine Lightflang lembat kinohikai jong Avenues u Vice Principal jong Ribhoi College u Benny EC kinohikai ka college kinong yalam jong Ribhoi College Alumni Association lembat ki Samla Puli jong ka college.
Well, you've had this soft skill coaching for the last 10 days. You've been taught, you've been given, you've been taught on the various values. But always remember, in whatever you do, don't ever forget to become a good human being. And at the end, that really matters. So in whatever you do it with lots and lots of responsibility, lots and lots of commitment, as I've already mentioned by the earlier speakers, but always remember to be a good human being. I understand what Sir Benny also had mentioned. Life is full of challenges. It's not easy, but we have to know how to deal with the problems. We have to know how to look for the solution. Sometimes what we feel as young students, all of you are young, all of you are young students. Within you have lots of energy. Sometimes it's difficult for you to see things which sometimes you will not be able to digest what you see around you, because all of you are youth. Because you have within you the potentials, you have within you the energy, and sometimes
Leadership is three things, and it will have its impact on your life if you follow these three things, okay? And I will take something from my own life, okay? A small story, can I share with you? Yes! To help you understand what leadership is, okay? Number one is, no one will tell you this, but leadership is failure first, okay? You have to fail first to be a good leader. If anyone in this room is here who says, I am perfect, you're a liar. If anyone in this room is here who says that I will be a perfect leader, you're a liar. If there's anyone in this room who says, I know a perfect leader, that leader is lying to you as well. I want you to know this. Every leader who's a good leader will not call herself a leader. Every leader who's a good leader will not call himself a leader. The best leaders that I know in the world, and I know some good leaders, are the ones who don't want to be known. The quiet leaders. The ones who will sit back and watch their teams become leaders.
So, I have experienced many things about Avenues classes, the way ma'am teach about how to conquer our fears and how to be a confidence, and we know that making a point to be success, how it's important to us. So many of the students learn that to be confident. So even Even me also, I have learned to be confident because before I'm attending the Japanese class, I have never been experienced to stand here. But when I attend the Japanese classes, I have the confidence to stand in front of the people and speak it out about what I've experienced in the classes. In the classes, I have learned many things about the values, about the curiosities, about the presentation drills, and about the confidence. The values which we have, we need to express that values for our personality. But if you have the ability to conquer your fears, then you will succeed in one day.
I stand here today to express what I have been experienced in these 10 days classes that I get with the avenues. So let me take back you first to the 18th of June 2018. I was at the same position standing here facing the 200 students towards me. At that time I still remember it clearly that my body remained like still like a pillar. My heart is like a stone. I cannot say anything. My whole body, I feel nervous. I even feel unconscious at the time. But now I'm standing. Right here. I don't feel nothing at all. What I've learned in these 10 days classes, I've gained confidence in my life. There are times that I've been going the wrong track, like most of all have in their life. But then, thanks to the team, they have guided me to be in the right path once again.
Thank you.